Hi student, my name is Oluson Kwandela. Welcome back to chemistry class, and we are still on calculation. I will digress a bit to another topic, which is under acid-base reactions, volumetric analysis. Then today we are going to be looking at some of the formulas we need to calculate for mass and molar concentration. Of course, if you are doing titration or you are asked to do one or two things on that calculation, you can use these formulas. Now let's go. Remember that in mass concentration we have the mass and the volume. Okay, so to calculate, to say mass concentration, or you say concentration in gram per dm cube, concentration in gram per dm cube is equal to mass, which is in gram, over volume, which is in dm cube. That's concentration in gram per dm cube. Let's call this one equation 1. Let's call it equation 1. Again, you can say concentration in mole per dm cube. Concentration in mole per dm cube is equal to amount of substance in mole, amount in mole, over volume in what? dm cube. So this one should be dm cube. So you have dm cube. Now let's call this one equation 2. Again, there's a formula that relates mass concentration and molar concentration. You can call them mass concentration and molar concentration as well. This is mass concentration, this is molar concentration. So you can say concentration in mole per dm cube is equal to concentration in gram per dm cube over molar mass. Call this one equation 3. Call it equation 3. Okay, then you can say sometimes you have if they give you the concentration in mole per dm cube of 1 and they ask you to find the concentration in mole per dm cube of another, then you can use the CAVA. So you can say CAVA over CBVB is equal to NA over MB, is equal to NA over MB. Okay, CA is the concentration in mole of the acid in mole per dm cube. CB is the concentration of the base in mole per dm cube. VA is the concentration is the volume of the acid in centimeter cube. VB volume of the base in centimeter cube. Na is the number of mole of the acid and number of moles of the base. Usually find Na and Mb in the equation, the coefficient of that equation of the acid and the base. You find it there. Those are the Na and the Mb. So let's call this one equation 4. And then the last one I usually is, we call it dilution factor. Maybe they say you have the common concentration was used, and then some volume of water was added. Then how much of water are we going to need to dilute it? So you can use this, the word dilution factor. You have CIVI is equal to CFVF. CIVI is equal to CF. So let's call this one equation 5. Where CI is the initial concentration, VI is the initial volume, CF is the final concentration, VF is the final volume. So these are 5 equations that we need to solve mass and molar concentration problems. In the next class, we are going to be solving all of them one by one. Bye bye and God bless you.